Hormone Replacement Therapy, or HRT, is one of the most misunderstood medical treatments, with some people fearing it without understanding and others promoting it without questioning, and both approaches are wrong. HRT is used when the body stops producing enough hormones, mainly estrogen and progesterone, most commonly after menopause. As hormone levels naturally decline, many women experience hot flashes, night sweats, mood changes, poor sleep, vaginal dryness, and long-term bone loss. HRT works by replacing these missing hormones in carefully controlled medical doses to help restore balance in the body. It can be given as tablets, skin patches, gels, sprays, or creams, and there is no single option that fits everyone. The correct type and dose depend on age, symptoms, and medical history, which is why this decision must be made by a qualified doctor, not social media. The hard truth is that HRT is not suitable for everyone, especially for women with a history of breast cancer, blood clots, stroke, or severe liver disease, where risks may outweigh benefits. However, when started at the right time, in the right dose, and for the right duration, HRT can significantly improve quality of life and reduce bone loss, lowering the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. HRT is neither a miracle cure nor a dangerous poison. It is a medical tool, and taking it without medical guidance is reckless, while rejecting it out of fear is ignorant. Decisions should always be based on medical facts, not internet panic.